Hello, people. Another evening, another chit chat. And as you all know, this chit chat is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swadhantra Sanka. Today on our guest list is someone who was an air hostess, turned into a teacher, turned into a model, turned into a singer. Well, the journey of Devika Arora definitely seems interesting, so let's welcome her online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Hi Shelja, how are you? Well, Shelja was one of the person that I interviewed on this chit chat earlier, and she is a grooming expert, and she also is a pageant winner. Apart from that, she takes online courses and a lot of things. So all you beauty pageant like dreamers, they need to contact her. Shelja, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Well, she has not joined yet, so I just hope that Devika Arora sees me online and joins me. Hello, Rajput. Yes, who else is there? Hi, Donald, how are you? Yes, Devika is there. Rajput Kiran Singh, how are you? Good evening. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're back with your work also since the hotel. Okay, so I'm good, Rajput. Well, Devika, I've already sent you the request that I'm good. I am good. Thank you for asking. Hope you're good too. Yes. Okay, so I can't see you, Devika. All I can see is a wall. I think yes.
Hi.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
Hi. Good, good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to
Great.
see you.
Yes, same here.
You too looking gorgeous.
I really love your neck piece.
Thank you so much. I
Unusual.
was just trying a different outlook today. Usually I don't dress up like this.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. See, we don't have much to do these days in terms of going out or doing something else.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah,
So it's better to get dressed up at home and fulfill your desires.
definitely.
Yeah.
So how your tell me how's your lockdown thing going on? How what did you do in this and क्या नया कर रहे थे? Like your journey is very interesting in the sense that
Yeah.
you started as your career as a hostess, then you turned into a
Yeah,
teacher, then you
that's
turned into
true.
a model, and now can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can. I mean, I'm just raising the volume. It's
Okay,
clear
okay,
now, like, kind of.
okay, good. So tell
So
me
yeah,
how.
yes, I started my career with being an air hostess. I used to fly with Jet Airways, and
Okay.
one of my cousin used to be very good looking, and she was flying with Air India International. So I just got fascinated, and I thought, being a kid, you know how we
Yeah,
kids are.
right.
So that all excited me a lot, traveling, and of course wearing a lot of makeup and dressing up nicely. So yeah, so that took me there, and it was beautiful. I had a good exposure while I was flying, and but
And
since
especially in terms
I
of going to different locations, that to the exotic ones, all the beautiful ones.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
that's true. It's about getting to know about people from different culture, and in a very early age I got all that exposure, and that really helped me out today, like whatever I am today. So basically, yeah. So, but then since I was missing out on music because in my childhood, school time में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डांसिंग और सिंगिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करती थी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में and I used to get very good response. I won many awards, and
okay.
yeah, so I used to get my title on the newspapers. I was just a kid, and I used to like, wow, you know,
Wow.
yeah.
So,
So
like, you had this amazing voice, like, since you were a kid. So, who was this guiding factor in your life, who basically asked you that, you need to actually pursue this thing? मतलब एक होता है ना हमारी life में जैसे you just said that, air hostess, you had some cousin and, she was flying international and that you
yeah,
inspired. तो
Yes, that's true.
सिंगिंग में ऐसा क्या था, लाइक बिकॉज इट वाज अ वेरी चेंज, you were an air hostess, you didn't try for any other airlines, you thought now, okay, I'll go to teaching, but maybe your calling was not there, your calling was something different, or
It wasn't there.
yeah.
That's true.
So
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 my
it's not.
mom was a great support system. My mom and my sister. My mom is very talented. My sister also sings. So since beginning, they used to uh, push me to do stage shows like in competitions, and that really helped me boosting my confidence. So because of my mom, I guess I explored myself. Okay, I can be a good dancer or a singer. Otherwise, always parents are there behind
Yes,
any kids,
yes,
yeah,
yeah,
progress.
very true,
So
very true. And
dad was very supportive. Parents were supportive. Yeah,
and I think that if parents are there, and that's all the support that you need basically, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट होता है तो
yeah,
सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट तो वही है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो भी बाकी
बिल्कुल.
सपोर्ट हैं, दे आर लाइक एडेड फैक्टर्स, राइट. सो
Yeah, that's true.
व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स दैट किस तरह के सॉन्ग्स जो होते हैं आप प्ले करती हैं, या आप बिकॉज यू आर इनटू लाइक यू रिक्रिएट द सॉन्ग्स बेसिकली, तो
I
व्हाट
do.
काइंड ऑफ
Yeah.
सॉन्ग्स you choose and all that.
Basically, I'm very fond of retro songs and Punjabi songs. So what I think that the kind
Okay.
of texture I have got, those songs go well with my voice texture. So it's very important you to know that what kind of voice you have and what songs suit you the best. So I prefer singing
Right, right.
either retro songs or could be soft romantic Arijit kind of songs, or
Okay.
just the happening Punjabi song with the loud, pitch. Yeah.
ओके. सो सो लाइक एक कोई भी ऐसा सॉन्ग जो आपने फर्स्ट जो रिक्रिएट किया हो, या रिसेंटली कोई किया हो, विच यू रियली लव टू सिंग, विच यू आर रियली हैप्पी टू बेसिकली, जो उसका फ्यूजन वर्जन आपने निकाला हुआ, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी विद योर वर्क.
Yes, so there is this Din Shagna the song, and I
ओके.
found it very slow all the time. We get to hear this playing in the weddings, and since the trend is changing, and the brides are also very cool about this.
Yeah,
They wear shades and they come dancing on the
yeah.
stage. So I thought the song also needs some peppy factor in it.
Facts.
So I came up with this song Din Shagnada
Okay,
with Dole.
okay.
So whereas brides can actually dance at the same time.
Can you just hum a few lines of that song?
Yeah, sure. You want me to play the music and sing?
Yeah, why not? Why not? That would be
All
like an
right.
added tadka to that.
Yeah. So I hope you can hear the music.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआओं में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआओं में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। So here it comes a beat. दिल शगना दा चढ़िया, सखियों नी मेरा सजिया, आहा बेड़ा सजिया, मिले आ सजना, मिले बधाइया, नी सजन डोली लहके आना, नी बेड़ा सजिया. So that's how it is.
Wow. It's
Shagrenada. Yeah.
very beautiful. You have a beautiful
Thank you.
voice. It's like generally ये track जो है थोड़ा सा एक sad moment पे जैसे
Yeah.
वो चलाया जाता है, but you made it both, मतलब starting
Both.
में
Yeah.
and then it's like peppy, because both
Yeah.
it is like sad also and it is happy also, क्योंकि वो
Yes,
दुल्हन
that's
जो
true.
है अपने घर से जा रही है तो वो sad है, और ससुराल जा रही है तो happy है.
Happy,
So
yeah, right. So
very
basically, when everything should be celebrated with happiness, whether वो अपने घर जा रही है दुल्हन या जो भी है, everyone is strong these days. Girls are very strong.
girls are very strong.
So
They dance on their own shadi.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. We get to see that.
Yeah, that's very true.
So
So,
yeah.
like, when we are talking about your journey, so you started actually pretty young, as you said that school से शुरू कर दिया था आपने, और स्कूल से स्टेज शोज, और बट एक होता है ना टर्निंग पॉइंट आपकी लाइफ में, जब आपने रियलाइज किया कि हाँ मुझे ये ही करना है, मुझे सिंगिंग ही करनी है, वो कब था?
That happened when I was into teaching, Asha, and my colleagues, my friends, teachers, they used to push me a lot. They saw me singing and they found me talented, and they were saying, "Why are you wasting your talent?" Though teaching is a very noble profession, I used to love being there also. I love kids,
स्पेशली आई एम
and
श्योर कि आपके किड्स जो छोटे छोटे प्राइमरी क्लास के बच्चे हैं वो बहुत खुश होंगे, बिकॉज किड्स आर वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन दे गेट अ ब्यूटीफुल टीचर, बहुत खुश होते हैं.
I was quite favorite amongst others. So yeah, I got lot of love from the kids. So my teachers, my friends used to motivate me every time. Even my mom also. Why don't you keep doing your music thing also? Just take it seriously. If not now, then when? So that's the thing. I think I performed casually once in a college. It was a Delhi University College. I performed there. I got a very good response, and I thought I want to be here on the stage. This is what I'm meant for, because that is when I loved my dream that day. It was beautiful for me, so I decided, okay, I should give a trial. Hi
Okay.
Shivali. Hi
Yeah,
Sachin.
yeah. So Shifali,
Yeah.
I think Shefu Gupta is saying still you are the favorite. So I think she's
Yeah,
one of the teachers.
she is my very good friend, very close friend,
Yeah.
and even she's featured in this song, the one I sang just now, Din Shagnada. I made her a dulan, and the pretty dulan, and yeah,
Okay.
that's how it's always a teamwork. Your friends are
Right.
supportive, and yeah,
Right.
that's
Right.
how
Very
it
true.
goes.
Very
Yeah.
true. So,
Mm.
like you found your calling, and how many songs you have? Like currently, कितने songs को आपने recreate किया है?
Almost 8 to 9 songs, and I'm still working on that.
Okay.
Officially 8 to 9 songs, and
And how's
I've
the
come up
response?
with.
Like, how's the response? Like, when you're recreating that, when you're making a video of that, तो response कैसा है उसका?
Response is amazing. I get a very good feedback from my close ones and whosoever, watch it. Some random people also text me on YouTube and they say, "Ma'am, we have put this song on repeat." I feel good.
Yeah,
It's a good, huge compliment, you
yeah, that's a
know.
compliment also, and that's like a validation of your hard work also. Like okay, somebody
Yes,
is saying that
yes,
wow,
that's
it
true.
is good.
And it's very important to keep receiving such motivations
Very
from
true.
people.
So
It keeps you going.
how many of them you have recreated in this and lockdown, and what all did new things you did apart from recreating the songs, और क्या क्या नया नई चीजें की आपने?
Well, नई चीजें, I learned to bake cake. I was not
Wow.
much into cooking, and lockdown made me cook every possible thing because we did not let maids enter, and so I
Yeah,
was like,
we
okay,
all
fine,
we
let
all
me.
actually kind of became chefs and whatnot. Like I don't know what exotic. I remember like cooking pani puri जिसे बोलते हैं ना, मैंने वो बनाया because I could never think of doing that. क्योंकि 10 रुपए बाहर जाके 10-20 रुपए की बाहर जाके मिल जाती है. Why anybody take that much pain? But we
Yeah,
were missing that much. So
yeah.
so how was it like when you bake the cake and all that? How was it?
It was amazing. I When I baked it for the first time, it was my birthday in April when the lockdown was happening, going on. And I was like, I just don't want to be very dull and low on my birthday, whatever it is. Even if I'm home, I'll go live. A friend of mine, Sachit, told me, insisted me, why don't you go live and, talk to your friends, celebrate your birthday live on Instagram,
That time was like the
saying
initial phases of lockdown, so it was like
initial.
absolutely everything was closed. We couldn't even move out.
Yes.
So
Yeah, yeah.
okay, so that's like amazing that you baked
Mm.
basically a cake for your own birthday, and
Yeah.
so it was nice. So probably you learned all the cooking, and you have created some of the songs. So how many of them you recreated during this lockdown?
I created 4 to 5 songs, not
Mm-hmm.
on each official scale, but a song which was pending, which was shot right before the lockdown, but editing was, yet to be done. And I was wondering because I could not travel to my friend's place who stays in Noida. And
Yeah.
but I was excited, that shooting is done, and I just want to, come up with this song, what to do. So
Editing
I
was left.
started editing was left,
Yeah.
video editing. So I thought, no, why can't I do it? I mean, I should
Okay.
try. What else to do in lockdown?
Yeah.
So I explored couple of software. So finally I learned it and did it in 2 days. Didn't
Wow.
take me much. So I
Now,
launched it.
now basically you can be an editor too.
I love editing, Asha. I
Yeah.
love editing audio, songs, and videos as well. I mean, I think I do have that sense. I can be a good editor. I mean, that
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can
So
think
that's
of.
one of the areas that you need to actually now, because from all these areas, like you already like have seen how you were as a air hostess, how you were as a teacher, how you were as a model. Now these are the other factors that you need to do before जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सब थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देख लो, like
Right.
whatever. Yeah. So it's like
Yeah.
that. Great. So
Also,
आपने
I used to go live with my friend Shifali. We used to do Zumba on
oh,
video calling.
okay.
So I thought not to get bored, just
Yeah.
enjoy whatever little we can.
Yeah.
So
Great.
thank you, Sahil.
So,
Okay, yeah.
so it's like, yeah, see, people are commenting that you're looking beautiful, and which you definitely are.
Yeah, they are
So,
my friends. Thank you.
it's okay. So friends are there to
They are
boost
here
you
to
up
motivate
also.
me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sometimes they keep you grounded also, but it's good that they are actually boosting you at the right time. So
Yeah.
apart from this,
Well,
let's go back to your childhood, and I want to know, like, when you were a very creative person, when you were a good singer also, and doing a lot of things. So tell me what all naughty things you did as a kid, और कुछ जिसे बोलते हैं ना बचपन की यादें, उसको ताज़ा करते
okay.
हैं, और
Okay.
कभी ऐसा हुआ कि मम्मी से डांट पड़ी या मार भी पड़ी, या किसी ने आपको फंसा दिया जिसे बोलते हैं, कुछ भी ऐसी यादें जो which are still very live, जो आज भी आपको याद है.
I used to be quite notorious. I was
Oh,
never, I had a
okay,
shy part also. I was
okay,
never
okay,
too talkative and too loud, but in the back of the mind, I
yeah,
used to, have plans कि
yeah,
चुपचाप घर में नहीं बैठना. So
okay,
whenever I used to come back home from my school,
hmm,
Mama सुलाती थी, those afternoon naps. कि
hmm,
now baby supposed to sleep for a
yeah, yeah,
while.
yeah,
I used to make sure the moment she would start snoring a little, I would know अब तो सो गई, चलो भागो. I used to go out running, meet all my friends. और
अच्छा,
जब तक रात को जब तक सबकी मम्मियाँ वापस नहीं बुला लेती थी घर, तब तक मैं नहीं आती थी. I
okay,
used to really feel helpless कि अब तो सब बच्चे गए, I'll have to go back home.
okay.
So it used to
और
be
आपकी
like
मम्मी
that.
को पता नहीं चलता था.
नहीं, बाद में पता चलता था, बट
हाँ,
मेरी सिस्टर उनके कंट्रोल में आ जाती थी. शी इज क्वाइट
हाँ,
इनोसेंट एंड
yeah,
सॉफ्ट.
yeah,
बट
yeah,
मैं थोड़ी सी थी नोटोरियस, तो मैं कभी भी उनका मेरे ऊपर बस नहीं चला ज्यादा.
तो
So every
वो
second I
सुला
used to get scratches.
बेसिकली वो आपको सुलाने जाती थी और आप उनको सुला के निकल जाती थी.
हाँ, हाथ रख के सोती थी. मैंने आराम से प्यार से उनका हाथ साइड में किया और चुपचाप unlock the door and
ओके.
I used to get injuries a lot. मैं सड़क पे खेलती थी जब बच्चों के साथ, तो every
टॉम
second I
बॉय
used
यू
to
वर.
scratch my no exactly tomboy, but not exactly too girly also, I would
या
say.
ओके, ओके.
And I used to get scratches on my knees, elbows, and उन उसका मुझे डर नहीं लगता था, बट मम्मी की जब डांट पड़ती थी ना चोट खाने के
तो
बाद, उस
वो
चीज से मैं जरूर घबराती थी कि अब
अरे
डांट
यार,
पड़ेगी.
हाँ ये ओके. सो सो ये जो बचपन की यादें होती है ना, ऐसा होता है जनरली कि हमें वो यादें याद रह जाती कि हम ऐसा किया करते थे. बचपन में ही बहुत सारी चीजें
Yeah,
होती हैं जो आपको हमेशा याद है. दीज आर द फनी थिंग्स, एंड आई एम श्योर आपकी
yeah,
मम्मी
that's
आपको
true.
आज भी याद दिलाती होंगी कि ये, या किसी के सामने बोलती होगी ये ना ऐसे सुला के भाग जाया करती थी खेलने के लिए.
नहीं,
राइट.
उनको बाद में मैंने ही बताया था जब आप सो जाती थी तो मैं
अच्छा. Pretty honest, I must say.
pretty
Okay,
honest.
yeah. So, what are your future plans? Like, after this lockdown and all, what are you planning to do? क्या नया करने की सोच रही हैं?
I really want to come up with a new composition of my own. I have plans, things are going on,
Okay.
and I have asked few lyricists to write a good song for me. So far, I'm a bit choosy, so I need to select one. Maybe I'll end up writing on my own because recently I
Okay.
explored a quality that I can write also. So I have
Yeah.
written a beautiful song on this situation, Corona, and when I sang it in front of my mom, like they were surprised that is it your language? Like, wow, it makes sense. It's quite
We
meaningful and
also
very
want to hear
touchy.
that. We also want to hear that.
You want to hear that? All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Again,
your
I'm
friend is
gonna.
saying friendship song. Friendship song. Shifali, we are right now listening to her Corona song. Let's see what she has penned down. So your music.
Yes. I'll just play it and yeah. This is actually what I was feeling from within. I just wanted to write it down and then quickly composed a music and came up with this.
Okay.
So this is how it is. तू संभाले सबको बचाने कर अब रहम तू भूल हो गई थी करम थे हमारे कर अब मेहर तू सबको संभाले हमें तो बचाने कर अब रहम तू भूल हो गई थी करम थे हमारे कर अब मेहर तू कैसी ये मजबूरी बेबस है हम सभी एक आरज़ू हवाले तेरे मेरी जिंदगी जिंदगी मेरी तेरी मिटा दे ये गम सभी कहूँ मैं यही हवाले तेरे मेरी बेबसी हमको तो है यकीन संग मेरे तू यही तू सहारा है अगर तो कैसी नमी हमें तू संभाले सबको बचाने करे अब रहम तू भूल हो गई कि करम थे हमारे करे अब मेहर तू So yeah, that's how it is.
I must tell you this thing. I have heard so many songs on Corona. This was the super melodious. You know, अभी तक Corona के ऊपर basically किसी ने like old songs के ऊपर words चढ़ा के Corona के song बनाए हैं या कुछ
Yeah,
और.
yeah,
And
yeah,
it
yeah.
was
Yeah, even
super
I heard.
melodious in the sense that you know Corona का भी अगर Corona एक बंदा होता वो भी सोच रहा होगा मेरे ऊपर इतना अच्छा गाना.
Actually,
So
it is a
yeah,
prayer to God that whatever
yeah,
sins we have done
yeah,
so far
yeah,
by killing
yeah.
animals or playing with the nature,
Yes.
we feel sorry about it, and it's getting too much on human beings, and we are suffering a
And
lot.
that
Everyone,
point of time, you know, when it all started, it was too much for us, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा था
it
because
was too much for us. Yeah,
we did not know, you know, what
yeah,
exactly it is, you know, क्या क्या कौन सी theory हर दिन एक
exactly.
नई theory आ रही थी, you know, इससे हो
Yeah,
जाता है, उससे हो जाता है. So it was so
yeah,
confusing that you know what it is actually a wrath, you know, God's wrath,
yeah,
and what exactly it is. क्या हो गया
yeah.
है suddenly, you know, पूरे
Exactly.
संसार को.
It was everybody was
Very
in dilemma. Yeah, and every day we get to hear the news
yeah.
और सब कुछ negative होता था news में,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, like you know, अभी आप जैसे बोल रही हैं कि आपके you know future plans and all, you know, you have a lot of plans. तो अभी
Yeah.
आपके you know we have heard this song. So you know one of your friends also suggested the friendship song. कौन सा song है ये friendship का जो आपने बनाया है?
Okay, so it is again a mashup,
Okay.
and I have used all friendship songs there. Like
Okay.
I have not. Okay, I'll just sing without the music.
Okay.
So ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. It
Oh.
goes like,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे यारों दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो जिंदगी है कोई तो so a couple of more songs like on friendship.
Wow.
This
Wow.
was
Very
one of the
beautiful. And you
mashups
know,
in
I must say, you have not taken any like training, vocal training, isn't it? आप,
well no
no.
no
This is all
no
with your practice practice and जो आपका natural inborn talent जिसको बोलते हैं ये वही है ना. You have very beautiful voice and you should
It is
definitely.
inherited. My mom
Yeah.
sings, so that is how we both have got. Like my sister Shivani Sapra is also here, so she's a beautiful singer, and
Okay. Okay, great.
both of us have got it from our mom.
Yeah, you just got hearts from her, and
Yeah.
after these lines that you just sung,
Oh,
and
she's calling me Chunnu Punnu here.
okay, right.
Yeah.
So, is there any message that you want to give your fans, your followers? What do you want to say about, like anybody who wants to be in this career, or possibly, the way you have lived in the sense, you have basically juggled so many careers, and, you have actually mastered, you loved what you did, and,
Yeah.
enjoyed your every bit of, life. So, what is one message that you want to, like, give to your viewers?
I just want to say that since, initially I was also confused that what to do, where to go, because I am a bit creative and I have a lot of things in my
Yeah.
mind going on. मुझे ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. At the same time, so that keeps you confused. But it's in a way, it's good also. Whatever you feel like doing, just do it right then and there, so that in future you don't get any regrets about it. I might have got a little late for my singing, but then I'm happy because अगर मैंने flying नहीं करी होती तो आज मुझे शायद उसका regret होता कि मैंने
Right.
flying नहीं करी, right? और teaching नहीं करी होती तो मुझे उसका regret होता. So,
See,
like,
what
I
I believe is that there is no age for anything. You should do whatever you want to at whatever.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Everything which pleases you, gives you, true happiness
Yes,
is what your calling is.
yes.
And I truly believe in that. How no matter how challenging and struggling your profession is, just do it. Go for it, and things will fall in line.
Exactly. On इसी note पे एक प्यारा सा whatever you want to sing for us. चलते चलते.
Okay. All right. मैं तेनू सुपर नीच भी नहीं छट सकदी मैं तो मर के भी होना नहीं है पाप वे पता करी ना प्यार की न करदी तू समुंदर में जाके ले वे पता करी ना प्यार की न करदी तू समुंदर में जाके ले वे बेसुरी मेरी फिल तेरी जिंदगी ना कोई ले ना कोई ता. Have you heard this song?
Oh no, but I am enjoying it. I
मैनू
love
दूजी
Punjabi
बारी
songs.
प्यार होया सोनिया दूजी बार भी होया है तेरे नाल मैनू दूजी बार प्यार होया सोनिया दूजी बार भी होया है तेरे नाल मैनू दूजी बार प्यार होया सोनिया दूजी बार भी होया है तेरे नाल. That's all.
Wow, very beautiful,
Yeah.
very beautiful, and you have sung that so beautifully. बिल्कुल जो जिसे बोलते हैं ना रूह पकड़ ली थी आपने उस सॉन्ग की. And so
That's
thank you
what
so much.
I sing
Yeah,
with my heart, with my full heart. I do nothing with half-heartedly. So
that's how we should do. We all
yeah,
should do
that's true.
any work.
That's true.
चाहे आप जैसे आपने बोला आपने केक बनाया. So या आप गाती हैं या आपने एडिटिंग करी. We should all do everything with our heart. Otherwise करने
Yeah,
का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं. That's true.
So thank you so much, Devika, for coming online,
Thank you,
sharing all
Arsha.
these,
It was
beautiful.
amazing being here with you. You are amazing as always.
And thank you so much. And I really loved your voice. बहुत बहुत प्यारी आवाज है आपकी. And I wish you all
Thank
the
you.
success in your life. I hope इसके बाद आप कुछ बड़ा बड़ा काम करें and कुछ बड़ी एल्बम आए और बड़े पर्दे पे आपको देखें. That's what I
Definitely. I'm very positive about it. Definitely it's
yes,
gonna happen soon.
yes. So we all pray for that. And
Thank
again,
you.
have a lovely evening. Thank you so much.
You
Thank you so
too.
much.
You too. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Harita, for being here.
Yes. Thank you
Thank you,
everyone for
guys.
being
Thank you, friends.
online and for giving all these beautiful hearts to her. Like see again, अभी भी चली रहे हैं आपके hearts चली रहे हैं. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.